I'm sure you've heard the news. Jamaican Stone is making waves for its ability to enhance intimacy and prolong pleasure. But did you know Herbal Remedies can take it to the next level? Jamaican Stone is famous for its ability to delay ejaculation and extend those intimate moments. But here's the kicker: combining it with herbal treatments can maximize the benefits. Herbs like ginseng, maca root, and horny goatweed are known to boost stamina and vitality. Imagine the power of Jamaican Stone paired with these natural wonders. Now, before you dive in, remember, always consult with a healthcare professional first. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. Whether you're looking to impress or just want to enjoy a bit more time with your partner, these natural solutions might just be the game changer you need. So why not give it a try? Your intimate moments could be longer, more satisfying, and deeply connected. Cheers to natural solutions and enhanced intimacy.